superstars. Today we'll be talking about palm oil business in Nigeria. I'll be giving you an update on palm oil business in Nigeria. Okay, so palm oil this year has recorded a different trend altogether. It has been very tricky. First, it started with the price of palm oil. As at March, usually from March, the price of palm oil starts dropping, but that was not the case this year. This year, as at March, the price of palm oil was still very high and it kept increasing. It got a lot of people unsettled and really worried because a lot of people were looking forward to storing palm oil this year. Personally, I was confused, to be quite frank, because the price kept increasing daily due to the cost of other food materials. This year, cost of food materials have been quite high, and this has also affected the price of palm oil because those who have palm oil have to sell their palm oil to be able to afford other food products. So this caused a huge change in the trends of palm oil business this year. But at the end of April and May, the price gradually dropped and some people were able to store palm oil. Some people stored at 22, 23, 24 and all that, 25. Different people stored at different prices depending on their location. And this price drop did not last. It took about 2 days or 3. And there was a quick increase again, a very sharp increase in the price of palm oil. Okay, the price increased to as high as 30,000 naira. Some people were able to sell and make profits. Some people sold at 31, 32, 35, 38, depending on their location. So the price of palm oil this year has been very tricky. There has been a lot of changes which has marveled a lot of people. But at the same time, right now, the price of palm oil has dropped again. This is due to the current condition in Nigeria. Okay, due to the protest by people, the price of palm oil had to drop again because there has been no movement from state to state, no interstate movement. Lots of people decided to stay put. Lots of transporters, people who transport foodstuff, people in business decided to hold so that their business will not be affected on the road. This has also caused a drop in the price of palm oil. Okay, lots of people have refused to send palm oil to other states to avoid stories. People don't want to hear that their goods have been hijacked on the way or there are issues on the way. So for now, interstate movement of palm oil has been kept on track, except people who have high tolerance for risk. Okay, only people who can bear risk have been able to move their palm oil to other states. Okay, this has also affected the price of palm oil and all that. Nevertheless, palm oil business this year is quite interesting. So if you've been following me very closely, you'll remember I said that palm oil business is affected by lots of trends. It is affected by things that is happening in your country, in the place you live, in your environment and all that. So you have to be up to speed and up to date if you must make money in palm oil business. Okay, so that's what's happening right now due to the current condition and things happening due to people protesting and all that. The price of palm oil has been a bit low. It has sort of affected the price of palm oil. Lots of people have decided to put the business on hold for now. People who do not want to lose their money on the road due to vandalism and all that have decided to hold their peace pending when everything will be settled. But people who have high risk tolerance still send their palm oil to other states. So as of today, the price of palm oil keeps fluctuating. It is not constant. It is between the range of 29,000 naira and 27,500 naira. Okay, it keeps fluctuating. Some days you hear 29,500, some days you hear 30, some days you hear 28,000, some days you hear 27,000, some days you hear 26,000 naira. So the price of palm oil is not constant, it is fluctuating right now. So you could call someone today and ask how much is palm oil, the person will give you this price. Tomorrow you call and you hear another price. The price is not settled for now, it is fluctuating depending on the demand and the availability of palm oil for sale. I said that lots of factors affect palm oil. Palm oil is affected by the law of demand and supply, and it still holds. It is greatly affected by the laws of demand and supply. Depending on the demand, the price increasing. If the demand is high and the supply is low, the price increases. If the demand is low and the supply is high, the price reduces. Okay, so that's what is happening right now in palm oil business in Nigeria. Nevertheless, you don't have to worry. For those who stored palm oil who did not sell, you don't have to worry. There will be an increase with time, but you have to observe the market. And I used to say that if you must make profit in palm oil business, if you must succeed in palm oil business, then you must cancel out every iota of greed. Once you realize that you have made profits from storage, please sell out your palm oil. Don't wait until you have maximum profit, because you may realize that at the end of the day, you may run at a loss. Once you discover that you've made profit, please sell out your palm oil and prepare for next storage. Or if there's another job, you could buy again and store, waiting for the next increase in price. Did you know you can actually store palm oil for twice a year and make profit? Yes, you can buy the first time, and when the price increases, you sell it out. And when the price drops again, you buy, store, and when it increases, you sell it out. Yes, it is possible. You can make so much money from storage in a year, depending on your ability to be smart, your ability to monitor the market, your ability to know when to sell and how to sell, and leave greed out of it. Okay, my superstars, so that's what's been happening in palm oil business in Nigeria. And on Saturdays, we have Saturdays on this channel as our palm oil buyers, sellers, and millers connect, where we share updates on palm oil business in Nigeria. So if you've never joined us, you are missing, my superstars. It happens every Saturday from 6 p.m. to 7 p.m. So keep a date and don't miss it. All right, in the meantime, if you have any question, please leave it in the comment section and I'll get right back to you. And my superstars, please like and share this video. Share this video so that people who are in palm oil business can have these updates to enable them know what. Because I know some people are quite worried right now. Some people have been worried. Do I sell? What's happening? Should I not sell? And all that. So please share this video with them so they can know what to do and all that. All right, my superstars. Till our next video, always and always remember that I love you. Bye, superstars.